So Windows 11 can only be installed on newer hardware with TPM 2.0 enabled, and a lot of older PCs don't have that ability. So when you go to try and install Windows 11 on older hardware, you may get greeted with this message right here. But there is a way around this, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. The first thing we have to do is press Shift and F10. And what this is going to do is open up the command prompt where we're going to type in regedit and press enter. Next, navigate to local machine, then navigate to system, setup. We're going to right click on setup, select new key, and call it lab config. Press enter. Then we're going to right click on lab config. Under new, we're going to go dword 32-bit value and type in bypass RAM check. Press enter. Then we're going to right click lab config again, go new, dword 32-bit value, type bypass TPM check. Press enter. And one more time, we're going to right click lab config, under new, select dword 32-bit value, and type bypass secure boot check. Press enter. Then we're going to right click each of these, click modify, set the value to 1, and press OK. And now we can exit out of this. And now it will bypass all the checks, and you can install Windows 11 on your unsupported hardware with no issues. So that is how you install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you guys want to see more content like this in the future. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I will try to get back to you to the best of my ability. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.